Every day, there's over 5 billion people on social media, consuming content, watching videos, making posts. And the question is, are you on the consumer side of that, or are you on the producer side of that? We want to move you from the consumer of content to the producer of content, where you become the lifeline for somebody else. If I were to ask you, have you been helped by somebody else's video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook? The answer is going to be yes, because somebody was unselfish. Now, I'm going to say something that's a little strong, and for those that are a part of our program, they will hear this. If you want to make impact, but you don't do it because I don't like the way I look on camera, I don't like the way I sound on camera, I need to lose some weight. You hear that? I. You just got a bad case of I-itis. If you do that and you don't do videos, you're selfish. I'm sorry. Somebody's got to tell you. It's just you're being selfish because you're making it about you as opposed to making it about impact. I am on a mission. I'm looking for 12 new or current content creators. We've already found 5. So I'm looking for actually 7 more content creators, whether you're just getting started or whether you are already creating content, but you know you're not making the kind of impact that you are put here to make. And so in this video, I want to tell you exactly what we're looking for and what we're not looking for. Because when it comes to content creators, a lot of people think that you have to have this special gift, this special charisma. You have to be a great orator, and it's none of that. Today, what people are looking for and what people connect with is totally different than what they looked for decades ago. So let me just tell you what we're not looking for. We're not looking for people that are the best communicators. We're not looking for people that have a following already. If you have that, that's great, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for people with one mindset. And the mindset is this: it's not about me. We're looking for people that have a burning desire to help other people. That's the criteria. That's the mindset. And if you feel like, you know what, I'm not the best orator, something about the camera just intimidates me, or I don't feel natural when I'm on camera, but I want to learn how to do that. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for people that are coachable and are willing to step aside, get yourself out of the way so that you can make the impact that I want to say that God has put you here to make. Maybe you've had several failed attempts. You've tried to create video, didn't feel natural, didn't like it, but the desire is still in your heart to do it. Then maybe you just need some guidance. Maybe you just need a coach. Maybe you just need someone to help to bring out your authentic self. All you have to do is do you, and you will do extremely well. So if that speaks to you, I want to encourage you to take an action today. The details are right there on the screen. I look forward to seeing you in the program. Thank you for taking the time to listen. This is Bob Yates. I am on a mission. I'm looking for you if you're ready to make the kind of impact that you know God put you here to make. Click the link above or below and let's go.